Hi, today we're going to evaluate algebraic expressions that involves parentheses. Here we have a problem, m minus 3 times the value of p plus 1, given if m is 2 and p is negative 4. To start, we are supposed to rewrite the expression where we substitute the value of m, which is 2, and negative 4 for p. So let me start. We have 2 minus, copy 3, open parenthesis, p is negative 4, copy plus 1. We just finished the first step. The second step is to always remember when we simplify our algebraic expression, we always follow the PEMDAS rule. That means we observe first p, which represents parentheses. Whatever is the operation inside the parentheses, we do that first. If there's an exponent, that follows, followed by the operations MDAS, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So let's go back here. So here we see we have a parenthesis, so we do that first. Whatever is inside, we perform the operation. So you have negative 4 plus 1 is a negative 3. With the rest, we just finished PEMDAS, the parenthesis. There's no exponent, so we skip that one, and now we perform multiplication. So this is the common mistakes. Most of you might think that, okay, let's get it done. So you do 2 minus 3 and you get negative 1, which is actually wrong because according to PEMDAS rule, on the operation after you perform parentheses and exponents, you perform the whatever if there is multiplication. So here there's a multiplication, so we do that first. You have negative 3 times negative 3. Remember, if you multiply both the same sign, the answer is positive. So this becomes a positive 9. Copy 2, since this is positive 9, it becomes plus. And finally, to simplify, this becomes 11. That's it. Let's now try number 1. This time, we have new values of a, b, c. You have the problem, number 1, a minus 2 times the value of b plus 3. Let's begin by substitution of the values. You have a is negative 2, copy minus 2, open parenthesis, b is 3, plus 3. And now, perform the PEMDAS rule. Whatever is inside the parentheses, so here we have parentheses again. Therefore, we perform the operation addition. 3 plus 3 is 6, and then copy the rest. Copy negative 2, another negative 2. After performing the parentheses, we now check if there's exponent, but there's none, so we jump to multiplication. Again, there's multiplication here. It's between negative 2 and 6. So we multiply negative 2 and 6 is equal to negative 12. Copy negative 2 here, and then proceed. It's actually there's actually no division, so we do addition and subtraction. Since these are like signs, like this one, these are both positive, so we combine them. Since these are both negatives, we combine them as well. So it's 2 plus 12 is 14, and it's a negative. You only do the negative thing if you are going to multiply. Negative times negative is positive, but when you add or subtract, actually we had a shortcut of subtraction. So actually you change the sign into plus and change the sign of the number. So we actually combine them because they are both negative. And that's negative 14. Okay, now it's your turn to try the next problem. Thank you.